Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Pisces water sign. This reading is about your person current feelings and their intentions for the month of April. So this is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. So let's see Pisces, your person current feelings. Your person current feelings. Nine of Wands under the deck. Right now your person is not in contact with you. Maybe for some you are in separation with your person, Pisces. So right now your person is guarded up. Right now they are not available to you emotionally because they want to protect their emotions and protect their heart from hurts. So right now your person is guarded up but thinking about you. So let's see their feelings, current feelings. The Moon, Six of Swords, Queen of Pentacles and the Emperor. So they're feeling maybe you are hiding something from them. The Moon. There is something mysterious in this connection. Maybe one person is hiding something from the other person in this connection. I think you both have no collaboration, have no partnership in this connection, Pisces. So they decided to move on. Six of Swords energy because they are not feeling well in this connection, because they're feeling neglected. Maybe you treated them as an option. There is something mysterious. There are some illusions between you and your person. For some, that's why your person right now they're feeling that they want to move on. And for some, your person don't want to communicate with you. They are guarded up right now. And Queen of Pentacles, your person right now concentrating on their career also. Queen of Pentacles, they want to create more money. Their focus is only on their career. And Emperor, so they are working also their self and they want to stand by their power and they want to take their power back. So they are working on their self growth and they are working towards their financial and career. So right now their concentration is towards their self growth and their career. Queen of Pentacles, I think your person may be very giving and caring person, but now this is not Queen of Cups, this is Queen of Pentacles. Now your person focusing on their career, but they're thinking about you, but their total focus, it does not affecting them anymore because they are in this balance. They're taking their control back totally. Now they stand by their power. Yes, they are working on their self. Yes, they're thinking about you, but they're focusing on their career. Maybe there are some disturbances between both of you. One person is committed, another person is non-committed. There is no equal give and take in this connection. It could be any reason. Right now your person focusing on their career. And the person involved in this connection could be another Pisces, a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So let's see their intentions. Pisces. Their intentions, current intentions. Magician with Eight of Cups under the deck. So they are manifesting something big into their life. Right now they're busy with their career, focusing on their career. For some, your person may be manifesting you back, but they are not taking action physically, but maybe they're doing manifesting techniques. Maybe they want to manifesting you back for some. So let's see their intentions towards you. The Lovers and Three of Swords, Ten of Wands and Three of Pentacles. So the Lovers, yes, there is love. Your person still loves you because the Lovers card is here and the person involved in this connection could be Gemini. And Three of Swords. So yes, they are in so much pain without you. They're feeling sad, they're missing you so much, because Three of Swords, they're missing you so much. And Ten of Wands energy. So it is becoming like hard work for them in this connection. Maybe that's for the reason for them to move on from from this connection. Maybe they are not available to you emotionally because it is becoming like a hard work for them. Ten of Wands energy. Maybe they only the person always taking care of this relationship. They're fed up with this energy, because when there is no equal give and take, it is become like hard work for another person. And Three of Pentacles, I think there is no equal give and take, there is no collaboration. Three of Pentacles, there is no partnership in this connection. There is love, but there is no commitment, there is no responsibility. So that's why your person feeling sad, and your person feeling very, very overburdened, and still there is love, but there is no partnership. I think if you make any effort, maybe there will be a chance for partnership, because still there is love. Still maybe your person thinking to work on this relationship, because Three of Pentacles wanting partnership, but you have to make some effort according to them, because right now your person feeling overburdened. I think they are thinking that there is no partnership in this connection. So for some, maybe your person will approach you, but it is it is becoming like overburden for them, because Ten of Wands with Three of Pentacles. If they will approach in near future, still they're feeling like this, but the Lovers card is here, still there is love. So maybe for some your person will make action, but I am not seeing it very near future, because right now your person feeling heartbroken, and they're feeling very overburdened. So let's pull some cards from universe. Final outcome for the relationship. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So they want to forget the pain. That's why they want to focusing on their self growth. They are focusing already. See, there is no clarity in this connection, and still there is confusion, still there is stuckness in this connection, and maybe you both are feeling sad for each other, you both are missing each other a lot. Three of Swords energy, mutual. Final outcome, so you both stuck on each other, you both are thinking about each other a lot. And Seven of Cups, I think still you both, maybe for some, you both are fantasizing about each other a lot. And King of Pentacles, yes, one person is very concentrated on their career, focusing on their money. I think this connection is right now stuck, maybe fantasizing, maybe one person giving false hope to other person. Yes, but you both are feeling sad without each other. So let's see some messages from your person and player. I fantasize about you. Yes, for some your person may be fantasizing about you. Past person return. Age difference. Stability is coming. And I am very attracted to you. So the messages are player. For some, yes, definitely your person. I think one person in this connection could be a player. So there is no commitment, definitely, because your person feeling overburdened, and stability is coming because King of Pentacles is here. Maybe your person, if you try, if you give equal give and take, maybe there is stability is coming, and they want to offer stability still for some, and they fantasize about you. And past person return. Yes, they will make a move to definitely towards you, because Three of Pentacles is here, but it will take so much time. And age difference, for some there will be an age difference between both of you, and I am very attracted to you. There is a lot of attraction between both of you, and especially your person is very attracted to you. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.